Another day, another use case for AI and ChatGPT. Specifically, we're going to be putting ChatGPT to build a personal website based on my resume and LinkedIn profile. The great thing about ChatGPT is there are a lot of different functionalities within the platform. So I think what most people are familiar with is the basic model where you can type in a question and ChatGPT looks at the data and comes back with a human-like answer. There's a lot of new apps and functionality in ChatGPT that can expand its capabilities. The one that I'm really excited about and have been testing is Operator. And so what Operator can do is like the original ChatGPT on steroids, because Operator can surf the internet like a human. You can ask it a question and like build me a website on Wix, and Operator could actually navigate to Wix. You could log in and it could start filling out fields on your behalf. I've even tested Operator and it has run into a reCAPTCHA that is testing to see if it's actually a human, and Operator can relinquish control to me and get me to pass the test and then go back to doing its work. So it's really exciting technology. Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is where this is a corner of the internet where I look at AI and look to see how AI can be used to simplify my life and build a business. So let's get started with building a personal website. I'm going to use a number of different ChatGPT functions to see which one works the best today. So there are 4 that I'm going to look at. The first is ChatGPT Designer or Designer GPT. This is actually built by someone, so we'll see how well this works. We've got an actual website generator in GTP, so we'll test this as well. I'll ask that basic question to the base website so we can see how it acts. And then we'll also use Operator to see how Operator steps through the task. And at the end, we'll combine all 4 and see which one does the best job building my personal website using my LinkedIn and resume. So let's get started with Designer GPT. This is my first time using an app in the platform built by someone else. As you can see here, it looks like it was built by Pietro Chirano. And it says it creates and hosts beautiful websites, seamlessly integrating DALL-E generated images, and it sends the website to Replit for further refining and personal domain. So it says it's an all-in-one AI solution for web development. Let's put it to the test and see how well this works. So hi, I would like to build a personal website based on my LinkedIn. Actually, let's see how it acts with just this information. I want to see if it's going to go and build multiple pages or if it's just going to build one. And it's asking, before we start building your website, would you like to use DALL-E generated images or Unsplash stock images? I'm going to go ahead and say Unsplash stock images because I still feel like AI generated images haven't been perfected yet. I've seen some that look really fake. So it says, great choice. I'll use high quality Unsplash stock images to enhance your website. I'll now build a clean professional personal website based on your LinkedIn profile and resume. It will include homepage with your name and title, professional experience section, education and skill section, a contact section, and aesthetic stock images from Unsplash. I'm going to tell it to make sure it uses my image from LinkedIn. So let me direct it to do that. Please use my profile image from LinkedIn for the website. Okay, so it says, got it. I'll include your LinkedIn profile image on the website. Can you upload it here? Yes, I can do that. So let me upload my LinkedIn image. Let's see if I can just directly copy the image, or if I need to actually, nope, I will need to upload. So save image as LinkedIn profile, save. All right, we saved as LinkedIn profile. Now we're going to upload from computer, LinkedIn profile. There we go. Send it to Designer GPT. Awesome. So now it has my LinkedIn profile photo, it has my resume, it has my LinkedIn. Let's see what it creates. And more importantly, let's see how long it takes to create it. So it says, thank you for sharing your profile picture. I'll incorporate it into your personal website along with stock images for a clean and professional look. Now I'll generate the website. Give me a moment. All right, let's see. I'm not going to rate this GPT until I see what it actually creates. Let's see. It's definitely thinking. I'm going to pause it and see how long it takes. And I'll come back when it's created the website and we'll walk through the website. I got a little impatient and asked it how long it will take to generate the website. And it responded and said it'll take a few minutes. I'm coding the website now and we'll provide you a live link shortly. Stay tuned. So it's still working on it, but it doesn't tell you when or how it's working on it. So I'm going to be patient and we'll see how long it takes. I've got the clock recording right now. While Designer GPT is thinking, and it's been thinking for 7 minutes now, so I'm not convinced I'm going to get my personal website. I'm going to take that same exact prompt and plug it into Website Generator, which is also another application in ChatGPT. So let me go ahead and just plug exactly what I told Designer GPT. And Website Generator is built, it's an app built by another company as well, or another party as well. So it says you can create a website in seconds, generate design, write code, and write copy for your website, powered by B12. So let's post this in there and see how well it does. So it says, thank you for sharing your LinkedIn resume details. I'll create a professional personal website for you that highlights your experience, skills, and achievement. Before I proceed, do you have any specific preferences? Okay, this is a good question, and already going better than Designer GPT. It didn't make assumptions. It's asking me, and I can provide the details that I need back. So it's almost like working with a human web designer that's asking you questions. So a personal brand tagline or mission statement, let's say mission statement is using, expert at using data and actually I won't say the AI data and systems to optimize life. And then sections about experience, contact. And then I'll say no color or style preference. So it probably could do a lot better if I gave it an example website or uploaded an image, and that's something I'll probably try next, but I just want to see what it generates and what it uses as a reference. So now Website Generator is asking to talk to B12, which I'm assuming is the site on the back end that's actually going to create my personal brand website. So this is encouraging. And it says that the website is ready already, which is exciting. Let's click and see. Okay, so I need to log in or create an account, which I don't have an account. So let me go ahead and start that account. Okay, so I created an account and not 10 seconds later, this new website popped up. So it has my name, home, which is this page. Okay, so Kirsa specializes in transforming how you approach life and work. Based in Nashville, she expertly utilizes AI, data analytics, and strategic systems to enhance decision-making and streamline operations. With a rich background in strategy and a passion for data-driven solutions, Kirsa empowers individuals and organizations to unlock their full potential. Discover how her insights can lead you to a more optimized, efficient, and fulfilling life. Get in touch. Okay. Optimizing your life. Okay. I don't know how it knew that I was based in Nashville, but I am in Nashville right now. So this is good. It's got a contact form at the bottom and a place to schedule an appointment, a place to have intake. So, and it's all on one page. And it's just like the scroll down and then you've got the contact. So this is actually really encouraging and a good sign. I think it's really B12 that's doing the back end. So great on them for doing this or having this capability. It looks like you can also change the images, replace the images, which are really cool. This is awesome. So you can replace the images. You can, for all the middle section, you can change the description. And you can also view what it looks like on mobile. So let's see what it looks like on mobile. Oh, this is awesome. Okay. Okay, so using ChatGPT website generators app actually works. That's a great sign. And it really worked in under 5 minutes. So you could quickly create a phone optimized website based on your LinkedIn profile and your resume in under 5 minutes. I'm sure you could also add images and that would make it work a lot faster. Let me see if it can edit the website via and add an image of me. Can you update my, and I want to use Unsplash stock images. Let's see if it can do it. To include of me that I have attached and use Unsplash professional stock images. Let's see if this works. So we're going to see if it can update the website via this platform. And it says I can't directly upload images, but you can easily add your photo and Unsplash stock images after signing up and assessing your website. So that is a downside, is you can't interact with the chat to update images. Let me see if it can add a new section of the website by interacting with the chat, or if everything, once you generate the B12 website, really just depends on you going to B12 and editing it. Can you add a new tab to my website for projects? Let's see if it can actually add a new tab to my website. So it's starting the action. So it seems like potentially it could do it. Okay, so now it's asking to talk to B12. So it says it's now ready and there's a project section. So let's go see the updated website. I should already be signed in. We're going to select the website. I'm going to go to the website. And I don't see an update for projects. So maybe it wasn't able to update automatically. Either way, still a huge win to, in 5 minutes, create a website, personal website, and be able to log in and edit it all. So I would definitely say there's a plus for website generator, and this is all in ChatGPT. So next, we're going to try doing this in Operator and seeing how Operator responds. Operator is the system that can click into websites and do a task for you. And so let's see how it responds to this question. Oh, I'm unable to help with this task. So this would be a lot of steps for Operator to do. So Operator cannot build a website, which is not a surprise. But you can use these customized applications that can help you build a website based on your resume in LinkedIn. Okay, I'm going to go back to the original platform that I inserted the request in, Designer GPT, and see if it was ever able to create the website. And it was not. I actually got an error that said too many requests. And so I think this ask was a little bit too advanced for Designer GPT. There are limitations to AI as the kinks are getting worked out, but I was very encouraged by the other platform that we use, Website Generator, and it actually created a brand new website based on my resume in LinkedIn. The images aren't super great. The data isn't perfect, but the core of the website is there. So if you are looking to generate a personal website, I would recommend using Website Generator and ChatGPT to get the base there. I'd also recommend providing as much information as possible up front so it could get the text right for you. And then ultimately, you'll need to go in and add your photos to really make it unique to you. But I think it's an amazing way to not pay someone to go generate a website for you and not spend, hours plugging in the field. So highly recommend it. Thanks. And until next time, when we'll be applying more AI solutions to optimize our lives, talk soon.